Hello and welcome to Bill's Bytes. In this mini IT session, we are going to look at spreadsheet functions in Excel. Let's go. There are a few ways you can enter data into a spreadsheet, but it's best to learn only one way to do this when you are starting to work with spreadsheets for the first time. The best way to get you started is by following these drills. First thing you've got to do, you've got to select the target cell where you want to put your result or information. So in this case, now I want you to imagine you're adding up these 4 cells, and you want to put the information in here. Select the Insert Function tab, which is this little tab here where it says Insert Function. Once you've done that, an Insert Function box will pop up. You will see in here, these are the most commonly used functions, so usually you will find the function you want within that box. If not, click on here, you can search for other functions. But in this case, we're selecting sum, so you click on sum and click on OK. When you click on OK, a function arguments box will pop up. At this point, you'll see in the box here, there's a greyed out area selecting these cells. This I would ignore for the moment. This may not be the cells. The computer's just automatically assuming that that's the cells you want to do. But for the moment, just ignore it. Next thing you'll have to do is highlight these cells so that you can put into this function box. And again, you do that by clicking on the first cell. You do this by clicking on the first cell and dragging it across to the end, and that will select the cell there from B2 through to E2. Once you've done that, you click on OK, and you can see the answer has been inserted into your target box. Okay, so let's go see that in actual action. Let's select the area we want to put in. So first thing we do is select the target box. Then we click on the Insert Function tab, and you'll see a little equal sign. All functions within Excel must start with an equal sign, and you'll see that in the cell reference and in the function box. You click on the sum, is where you want to put the information. Click on OK, and it highlights the function argument box. Again, for the moment, ignore this highlighted grey area. All you need to do is click on the box and drag it to your right and highlight all the information that you want. And you will see that the argument from B2, which is this one there, all the way through to E2 is now put in your argument box. And if you're happy with that, click on OK, and you will see the answer is 287. If you want to check if your answer is correct, you can highlight the information again. And if you go down to the bottom part here, in the bottom bar, you can see the sum is 287, and that matches what's in your target box. So that double checks to make sure you've got it correct. Then finally, rather than do the individual sums again, all you have to do is hover over the bottom right hand corner till you get the little black cross and drag it down, and it will fill in the information relevant to each set of data. It will follow the same formula, but these are known as relevant cells, so it's relevant to each line. I hope that helps. Thank you.